Okay, so this is how I buy PulseChain through SafeTrade and store it into MetaMask. So as you can see, as I circle in green, you want to type in safetrade.com. Now I'm giving this example through my iPad, so it may look different on your phone. So when you go to safetrade.com, what you want to do, you want to click on the three lines on the top right. As you click there, it will take you to where it says assets. Once you go to assets, you're going to see where it says hide zero assets. You check that, and then it pretty much collapses and it shows you what exactly you have purchased. Now, I already purchased PulseChain, so I'm already able to see it, and you can see the logo. Now, if you haven't purchased it, you could always type in the search bar in the top right, PLS. But most important thing, you want to deposit Ethereum first to purchase PulseChain. So you want to go to there, hit the deposit button, and then you want to copy the address. And then after you copy the address, then you withdraw it through there. So you click on trades, okay? Click on markets. Sorry about that. If you click on markets, and on the top right, you see the search bar. You want to type in PLS, okay, for PulseChain, okay? And then you want to select the ETH because you already have deposited ETH. So you want to select ETH, and it should be PLS/ETH, ETH, okay? And then once you do that, you want to hit the trade button, okay? As you hit the trade button, it'll prompt you to this. You can see how it drew in circle. This first circle on the top left, it says PLS/ETH. That's the right pair. You want to trade. You want to purchase PulseChain with Ethereum. Okay. And the second green circle, I tried doing market. It didn't work for some reason. So what I did is I clicked on limit, and then I on the circle number 3, I moved that to the right as far as how many tokens you want to buy. You just drag it to the right. If you drag it all the way to the last dot, that's 100%. To the middle, that's 50%. To the next dot, that's 25%. And then you hit buy PLS. You hit that green button, and that's how you purchase it. Okay. Now, once you purchase it, I would not, not your keys, not your tokens. I would not leave it into the safe trade exchange. I would take it out. So you want to add PulseChain into your MetaMask. So create a MetaMask wallet, and then what you do is go to ChatGPT and you type in how to add PulseChain to MetaMask. Okay, so it's going to give you the step-by-step guide. Okay, but the number 3, it's going to say enter PulseChain network details. Fill in the following information. So this is what you need to fill it out. Put it on a separate notepad. And then, fill that out. So basically, once you open up your MetaMask, you're going to see how it says PulseChain and then PLS. So that's where I have my PulseChain tokens. It doesn't have the logo. It has a question mark. I don't know. But that's just how it is here in MetaMask. Okay? But I do have the tokens. I just withdrew it from SafeTrade and I sent it. So I have $242 worth of PulseChain in my MetaMask wallet, okay? But you can see on the top where it has a little arrow, when you click on that, it's gonna give you the option to add a custom network, okay? You click on that, and then this is where you add the details when you typed in ChatGPT how to add the PulseChain. So this information, when you typed in ChatGPT number 3, enter PulseChain network details, the network name, new RPC URL, the chain ID, the current symbol, and all that, the block explorer. All that information, you copy that and you paste that here, and then you hit save. Once you do that, you're automatically going to have, PulseChain network into your MetaMask, okay? So basically, you see where it says enable network. They have Ethereum, Linear, Arbitrum, BNB Smart Chain. Once you add that PulseChain and you scroll down, you're gonna be able to click on a PulseChain network. Okay. So I know I'm talking fast. Just watch the video over and over again until you get it. Okay. So that's how you do that. Okay. Now if you want, once you purchase PulseChain from SafeTrade, and you want to withdraw it and then deposit into your MetaMask, after you added the PulseChain network, you want to click on the receive, and then you want to copy the address. After you copy the address, you want to go back to SafeTrade.com. You want to click on the assets. If you click on the assets, and then you want to go where it says PulseChain, you want to type in withdrawal, and then you paste that address from where you copied on your MetaMask wallet, and then just type in them out and then hit submit. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Take care.